Random dad stuff. Yeah. Just went to the store to get some supplies for Valentine's Day breakfast. Not only is it Valentine's Day, it's also my birthday. It's my 3rd birthday. Now you may be thinking, you're older than 3. It's actually this YouTube channel's 3rd birthday. For this special day, I got some Valentine's napkins, red cups, because anything red or pink means Valentine's, right? Pink tablecloth, heart plates, heart-shaped plates, Valentine's Day felt banner, got a happy birthday banner, it's at home, Valentine's colored assorted cutlery, number 3 birthday balloon, and the confetti popper. Now I'm sure this is gonna make quite a mess, but it's okay, it's worth it. It's my birthday. It is Valentine's morning, and we have a tradition of doing a pink breakfast. So we're doing pink eggs, pink pancakes, pink sausage, pink drink, other stuff. We've got the table set here with our traditional Valentine's Day decorations. Tell us about it, Zine.
Presents, you know. It's not exactly Christmas, but Valentine's Day, way after.
So tell us about this tradition.
It's all my mother's fault. She, when I was little, always tried to make Valentine's Day fun and would make pink heart pancakes and pink syrup and just give us a tiny little gift. And now my children are waking me up at 5:30 in the morning saying it's time to make Valentine's breakfast. We keep red 40 food dye in business every Valentine's Day.
Now it's important to have the griddle at the correct temperature. If not, the temperature will be incorrect. In addition to everything being pink, everything's gotta be in the shape of a heart. Not like a real heart, because real hearts are not shaped like what we think of as a Valentine's heart. But we should maybe change that because we have a doctor here, and you should know what a real heart looks like. They're not pretty. It looks like a gross piece of pork butt. Anyway, we're gonna pour these pancakes in a heart shape. Now, in the past, I've tried using a metal cookie cutter that's in the heart shape, but that turned out not to be as good as my artistic perfection. So, I'll show you how it's done here in a second. All right, so now we gotta pour the heart-shaped pancakes. Let me show you how. Easiest way to do it is just make one side like this and make the other side like this. Boom. And it'll kind of look like a V, but that's all good for now.
And that's it.
All right, then we gotta flip them. A special technique in flipping pancakes that I like to use, it's called the thumb on top method. So what you do, you grab your flipper, some people call it a spatula, but I don't know, because
It's not rubber.
because this is a spatula, but this is a rubber spatula. Some people call it a rubber scraper. Depends on what area of the country you live in. This is a pancake flipper because for the purposes of this today, we are flipping pancakes with it. Anyway, grab it, fingers wrapped around the bottom, thumb right on top, like so. Point it towards the pancake, and what you're gonna do is when you scoop it up, you're just gonna twist your hand over. You're not gonna lift your arm up, you're not gonna move your elbow, you're just gonna simply twist your hand over. Let me demonstrate.
I rarely have buttermilk on hand, but you have to have buttermilk syrup. So I learned this little trick. If you use white vinegar and milk, you can create your own buttermilk. I'm done.
I cut my finger, I'm bleeding. It went into the pancake mix, is that okay?
Just mix it in, it'll be fine.
Okay. Guys, are you excited for my birthday?
Yeah. Oh, remember that's your birthday? Yes.
Okay, we are ready for our Valentine's breakfast. We've got all our things. Tell us what we've got on the menu.
Stuffed animals, a sloth.
The menu is what you eat.
Oh, we have some pancakes, some pink heart-shaped pancakes, some pink, what, is that pink?
No, that's brown. You don't want your sausage to be pink.
Sausage.
Heart-shaped sausage.
Heart-shaped sausage, we got some hash browns, we got some pink eggs, we got some more pancakes, and we got some pink lemonade, and some presents tea.
Let's get some. You girls.
Yay, awesome!
So we have a plate replacement going on here. Tell us what's happening.
This is not deep enough for my syrup. I have to drown my pancake in syrup, so I'm gonna add
Me
reinforcements.
too.
Yes, good plan, good plan.
Yeah, it's a good plan.
So even though it's Valentine's and it's a completely made up holiday, we are still very practical in our approach to it and our application to celebration.
Wait, it's made up?
Day to me.
Now the balloon on fire.
That concludes our Valentine's breakfast and birthday celebration. Random Dad Stuff's 3rd birthday. Be sure to check out all the other videos. I think we're on episode 171 now. Do not shoot at humans or animals. I know.
Trevor, where are you going?
Come
I
here.
gotta figure out how to open it. Remove safety tape. Grasp above. Okay. Remove safety tape. Grasp above safety tape with left hand.
But if the safety tape is removed, how do you know where the safety tape was? It
I
said
don't
to
know.
remove it.
I
There
know.
is no more safety tape. How are you grabbing above and below? It's been removed. Those instructions
where's
are
the safety
terrible.
tape?
Ugh, those are the
Where'd it
worst
go?
The
instructions.
safety tape was right there.
Oh.
But we cannot follow the instructions because the safety tape has been removed, like it said.
Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to
To you.
Pull.
Good.
Hold it. Ready, set, go.
Nope. How about?
Go.
I'm like, my turn. I'm putting my
Oh,
whole
you
weight
guys.
on it. I'm smart. I twisted the bottom.
Happy birthday!
twist lower portion in direction of arrows to launch. That's why my helpers were not twisting. And it says not for use by children under 16. That's why it didn't work.
Except for the 8-year-old figuring it out.
So for this year, Valentine's Day, I got my wife something special. Because if you didn't see the video a few weeks ago, you can check it out up here. But I got all the presents I'm gonna need for Valentine's, birthday, the holidays, Christmas,
Anniversary.
everything, anniversary. So here you go. Check out the video right up here.